Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the measure tool that is located on the extend tools panel, and this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares to cover, and also we upload videos daily. Otherwise, if we go back to the program here, and now just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the extend tools, and also I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Now, I think this is going to conclude our little mini series on the extend tools. We did not cover the projector, as this is quite a topic in itself, and I do not own a projector, so I cannot actually go into depth with this. But yeah, so otherwise, so the last feature here on this panel will be the measure tool. It's rather simple. It's like most other measuring tools, and this will also just kind of be an overview, but you don't need too much in-depth information on this tool, so this might even be enough just to use it as is. So now, obviously, to locate it will be on our our extend toolbar, which if it is not active, you can always go to view, go to extend tools, close to the bottom, and just make sure it is active. Then if we had to select the measuring tool, it does not properly indicate that you have it selected other than your cursor or your mouse cursor here on the screen. So now this tool will work as you can make 2 points and see the measurements between them. So your first point will be where you left click with your mouse. So let's say I left click over here. Then, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little line over there showing the second point. So now what we can do in the bottom right here, on your status bar, we can see the measurement in millimeters. So if you now go to where you want to measure it to, you left click again once, then it will keep the information there. So even if I move around, that will stay the same. And then, so that's basically how you can get the measurement. So it is 796 by 589, and that is in millimeters. Now, obviously, you can use this tool to measure a visual part. You can zoom in, click left click, and then left click again. And then once again, you can see here at the bottom, we've got the measurements for that. So otherwise, yeah, that is it on the measuring tool. It is rather simple, like I mentioned, and yeah, that also concludes our little mini series on the extend tools panel. So thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it, and yeah, till next mini series, I guess. Otherwise, in the meanwhile, if you head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video. Then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for joining, and cheers.